Well, this is a thing, but I tried a whole bunch of stuff. I haven't been able to get my hard drives to connect up to it. If I had the top SAS ports, I could finagle a SATA cable in there and run one of my 3.5-inch backup drives, but I'm going to have to get the HP running on top of this thing. I need that power supply there because I guess I really need it for that monitor. Oh wait, my hard drives are there too. Duh. And I'm not taking that. I have all my cables like zip tied and stuff, so see, I tried putting my Adaptec controller in here, and yeah, putting a non-HP controller in an HP went about as well as you would have thought. What did I hook up wrong? I bet this connector's causing me a headache. I'll just plug it in the CPU too. And I got a keyboard over here now. Oh wait, this system has PS2. This will be easy. Henny, you got a buddy.
Right.
This goes to the closet underneath the stairs, which has Jake's server and his switch. And this was half-assed. Then that goes to the whole string. I'm 2 cables short here, because there should be 5 going into here and then 2 going into here, but this wasn't supposed to be here. So I had to take 2 cables out of this system to put in here. So I disconnected ILO and one of the Ethernet ports. So then you run along here, and yeah, there's my network setup.